Hey there everyone, starting off Monday with a new cartoon character. Let's see if you can guess who it is. I'm going to start off with the hooded area. This character wears a hood. It's kind of in a regular shape. Kind of looks like the entrance to a cave or something. From here, he's got like shoulder pads. Any guesses? More regular shapes. This is into his armor area though. Lots of irregular shapes. It's hard to guess, I bet, what it is. I'm going to continue down with an arm. Arm is going to start under the shoulder pad. Arm is in sections, so try your best to follow what I'm doing. And at any point, the beauty of this YouTube video is you can stop it. And you can look at the shapes I'm drawing. Gonna come down to the hand. Not your regular looking hand. Very sharp fingers. It's one arm. Let's see if we can get the other arm in. Any guesses yet? Some of you might know. The other arm starts, this is the other shoulder, here's one shoulder, here's the other shoulder. Starts from behind this breastplate armor pad. So I get the other arm coming out like so. Pointed fingers. I'm sure some of you must know by now. The part looks like a pencil or something. More of the uniform coming up. I'm sure some of you must know who this is by now, right? I'll start making a leg. This will be the knee pad. Down into the lower leg. Going to be the shoe. Careful with the shoe. I start at the back and then I make the round foot in the front. I have to make this a little wider. Yep. Do the other leg. This knee is a little higher up, or actually a different angle. To make this armored long enough, so I'm gonna bring it down. Still not wide enough. Handy if you have an eraser on, just in case you need it. Some of you may not. Making some adjustments here. A lot of adjustments. There we go. Like this, these shoes you've got. All right, I'm sure some of you know, but let's add some more details. Some horns sticking out of it, this hoodie. Some eyes that look like he's crying, but I'm guessing he would never do that. Some shapes that almost look like golf clubs on his armor. There's 4 of these. All right. Please add color, and I'd love to see how they turn out. Send me an email back. I'll post an easier cartoon later on if this is too hard, but there'll be more to come. Bye, guys.